we're in Akko. We came to our favorite place to buy Turkish sweets. And I just think I ate 1,000 calories because he kept on giving me samples. Jama, tell us about your place.
This is nuts and honey. I make like almonds with cashew and honey. I have like macadamia, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, pistachio. I have Turkish delight in flour with almonds, with pomegranate. I have marmalade, coconut, nougat. I have Turkish delight with pistachio, with pomegranate, with almonds. I have Turkish delight with halava. This is really good. This my mom make it this. It's really good and very delicious and there's 0 calories, no fattening.
Yeah.
You're welcome in Akko. You're welcome sweets, Jama Sweets.
It's Jama Sweets.
No honey.
So you need to come.
No
okay?
honey.
No honey.
No money.
No money.
No money.
No money.
No honey.
No honey.
I give you to taste my honey.
Yes.
You get me the money. If you
Yes.
don't get the money, I don't give you to taste my honey.
See, do you get it?
Because I am the honey.
Yes, because we just ate many samples. He's not pulling back the samples. He just says here, 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 and what other place to come. So you must come to Jama Sweets in Akko. See you later.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we did it.